This year's staging of the Munro College Old Boys Association Lindy Delapenha Golf Classic will be geared towards helping the St. Elizabeth-based high school with its continued post-Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. Munro College suffered back-to-back damage from hurricanes, with Beryl devastating the institution in 2024 and Melissa doing damage in 2025. The 9th staging of the Golf Classic will be held on a Saturday at the Caymanas Golf and Country Club starting at 8 a.m.
The devastation from sports infrastructure is damaged, sporting equipment was lost, and so we have to be working extra hard to bring back to the sports and sporting to where it should really be in the school.
Victor Tomlinson, who is president of the Munro College Old Boys Association, explained the format for this year's staging of the event, which was launched earlier this week.
The event so far looked like we will have a full house of golfers. It's the Stableford format starting at 8 a.m. and there will be a prize giving at about 1:32 p.m. once the golfers get off and they go for lunch. And this year we have good support from sponsorship. We have lots of prizes for the golfers.
Meanwhile, there will be a special treat for golfers and spectators at this year's staging.
Even for the sponsors and so on, the golfers who want to have a corporate lime and mingle and speak some more to participants and also people who are coming to spectate at the event. We're giving them the opportunity now to mix and mingle and have a corporate lime, and we're inviting other persons to come on board and come in at this time. It will be just directly after the award ceremony and goes up to 8 p.m. So this year is particularly different. We call it the Top Golf Keys and Tees.
The event is named after the late Jamaica and Munro College sports legend and sports broadcaster Lindy Delapenha.